Hello everyone, welcome back to another section where we are going to navigate the admin side. So that's, without further ado, let's dive right into it. So I just want to quickly go back to our modules. Let's try to organize things a bit here. Okay, so let's just do this. So let's just do this, and that's perfect. So that's the only thing that I wanted to do, and that's fine. So now that we have included our modules here, or we have registered our modules in the admin, let's proceed to create a super user. So to do that, we are going to say python manage.py create super user. So Django is going to ask us our username. Okay, so my username, I just want to say okay, I just put my name. Okay, that's fine. Give more. And email address, I'll just put let's say G Maguju. It's a fictitious email address. Then gmail.com. Then my password, I want to put my password, so you're gonna choose yours. Okay, so I'm going to put mine. So perfecto. So password created successfully, and then I'll just run the local server, so so that we can access the admin, right? So as you can see, we have to add this and say admin. Perfect. Let's do this. Okay, no problem. If we want to access the admin, okay, see, if we want to access the page that we have done, we use pause. Okay, but if we are using the local save and we want to access the admin, because you just do this, okay, and then we will be redirected to our admin. So right, perfect. No, I don't want to update my password. So this is a wonderful Django admin. I like it a lot. So we have choices, we've got questions, let's just play with this. And users, right now I'm the user. See, add user. No, I don't want to add user. Why would I? No, I don't want to add users. No. Okay, let's play with the questions. Let's create some questions here, guys. Let's just create this. Let's just say who is the world's, I know you like this, guys. Who is the world's best footballer? I don't know. World's best soccer star. I don't know. But let's just use football. Okay. Who is the world's best footballer? Right. Perfect. So when was the, so as you can see, we are publishing this today, so we press today. If you want to publish it at a later date, then we can press on the calendar and we choose on the date we want, but we want today, and the time, it's now. And perfect. So save and add another. Cool. So what else do we want right now? Okay, what else do we want right now? Let's see. Who is the former president of the United States of, okay, of America, right? Of America. It's a question. We are publishing it today and the time is now, so we will just save. As you can see, we are seeing this because we have added the human readable representation in the models. Okay, perfect. Now we want to go back to our polls. Okay, and let's create some choices. Okay, so like I told you that, you know, the way the models are structured is every choice is associated with a question, and that's why you see there is a question because we use the foreign key. Okay, we are inheriting from the question, right? So we have to choose. Okay, we have to choose who is the world's best footballer. Okay, and the votes, as you can see, is default to 0. Nobody has voted yet. Okay, so let's just say the first choice, let's just say Cristiano. Okay, I love Cristiano Ronaldo, and I know he's the best. I don't know on your side. Okay, and then we'll also add another choice, and let's just say Messi. Okay, Messi, right? Messi, and then save. So we've got Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. These are two guys. Okay, cool. And let's go back again on our questions. Who is the former president? Oh, okay, that's fine. We did the question. Let's go back. We need the choices. Okay, so let's go to the choices and let's add a choice, and let's select a question first. Let's say who is the current president right now? It's Joe Biden. Okay, sorry guys, okay, that's cool. Let's just say add and save another. Let's just say president, and they say Donald J. Trump. Donald J. Trump. Okay, Donald J. Trump. You see, I love Trump a lot. I'm a Trump supporter. Okay, so basically we have now played with the database. Okay, and you can even delete this. Let's say you don't want this, you can delete here. So no hassle. Okay, you can even change the choice text. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so the CRUD functionality from the database side is so easy, but it's a bit tricky when you want the users to create and delete. Okay, but for the time being, this is nice. So basically we have just navigated the admin side. Okay, and here it's showing the recent actions and stuff, so that's cool. So let's go back, and now it's time to make things work. Okay, so in the next section we are going now to go deep in our views. We want to create views that work, right? So the way I'm gonna do it is I'm going to create a view, and I'm also so the way I'll do it is I'll create a URL. Let's just make this simple. Okay, let's start with the URLs first, and then we go to the views. Then after the views we go to create templates, so that it's systematic. So basically that's the way we want to do it. So in the next section we are going to look at views in detail. Okay, so that's perfect. So see you in the next section of the tutorial. So thanks guys.